Whether you're a fanatical foodie or a health enthusiast, you can celebrate in style during National Nutrition Month. Hi, I'm Erin Good, a Hy-Vee registered dietitian, and today I'll show you how to satisfy your stomach and reward your body with my nutritious recipe for Mediterranean sweet potatoes with whipped feta. To begin, line a large rimmed baking pan with foil and spray it with avocado oil. Then we're going to need 2 sweet potatoes cut lengthwise like so. Place the potato halves in the baking pan and drizzle them with 2 tablespoons of Gustare Vita olive oil, a half teaspoon of sea salt, and a half teaspoon of black pepper. Bake the ingredients at 400 degrees for about 50 minutes. While the potatoes cook, let's make some dressing. First, place 4 ounces of Soirée traditional chunk feta into your food processor. Follow it up with a half cup of plain Greek yogurt and 1 teaspoon of lemon zest. Then cover and pulse until the mix is smooth. When it's ready, slowly pour in 2 tablespoons of Gustare Vita olive oil and process for another minute before setting aside. Now it's time to get our mix on. Combine 1 cup of no salt added garbanzo beans, drained and rinsed, with 1 cup of sweet grape tomatoes, 1 sliced shallot, a half cup of green and Greek Kalamata olives with 2 tablespoons of brine, 2 tablespoons of Gustare Vita capers, 2 tablespoons of fresh mint, 2 tablespoons of chopped parsley, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of minced garlic, another half teaspoon of salt, then pepper. Go ahead and mix those ingredients up. Top each sweet potato half with whipped feta and your garbanzo bean mix. Then sprinkle it with crumbled feta plus a little parsley. After that, all that's left for you to do is enjoy. For more tips to keep you and your family healthy, connect with your local Hy-Vee dietitian at hyvee.com/health.